Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all the students of class 4 to Sufa E class. And here I am your English teacher Noor Jahan Khan. Now have a look on homework. Number 1. Read more stories having animal characters. Again I am reading for you. Read more stories having animal characters or watch their videos in English. Number 2. Try to find out adjectives from the lesson. Number 2. Try to find out adjectives from the lesson. Now come to activities. Activity number 1 is make a collection of proverbs that mention birds and animals. You have to make a collection of proverbs that mention birds and animals. I am giving you example like raining in cats and dogs. Raining in cats and dogs. Number 2. A bird in hand worth two in the bush. And this is very common. Every dog has his day. You have to find out more examples like these. Number 3. Make a list of collective nouns used for animals and birds. You have done this in standard 3 also. Make a list of collective nouns used for animals and birds. I am giving you example. A flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. A murder of crows. A murder of crows. You have to find out 10 to 15. Now last, make a list of cries or sounds of animals and birds. For example, the cat mews. The cat mews. The dog barks. The dog barks. The birds chirp. The birds chirps. You have to find out more.
My school. I was a little fool when I came to school. I was a little fool when I came to school. This is the place where I learned many rules. This is the place where I learned many rules. I learned to read and write and not to be rude but polite. I learned to read and write and not to be rude but polite. And not to be rude but polite. And not to be rude but polite.
Dear students, see how happy the child is. I think he enjoys to go to school. But I also have seen some students don't like to go to school. But in lunch break, they seem to be very happy. So today we are going to learn the poem Recess. We will see what are the boys and girls doing in the recess. Poem number 3, Recess. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there with quiet air groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and main, for long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school. Students, I am going to recite the poem. Listen carefully. Recess. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. While here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins, although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Now students, listen to the explanation. Recess. Recess means the break between school classes. When your classes are over and you have tiffin time, it is called as recess. Girls and boys make lots of noise. During the recess, you also make lots of noise. You play in the recess. So these girls and boys are making lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. This poem is very familiar to you. Your activities also. You run in the recess and jump and laugh and shout. And these girls and boys are also running, jumping, laughing and shouting during the recess. While here and there, they are going here and there in the ground, in the other classrooms with quiet air. With quiet air means looking quiet in groups. They are going, group of children walk about. Some children are walking about here and there in groups. A game begins. Some of those children play during the recess. A game begins. Their game begins. But no one wins. It means the game begins but no one is winning. Why no one is winning? Because before the game is over, the bell rings. Although they play with might and main. Although they play with might and main, they play in playground. But even if they play with all their strength, no one wins in the game. Why? Because before their game is over, the bell rings out. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Again it's time for school. They have to leave for the classes. As soon as the bell rings, the game is stopped and they go to the classes. And no one wins because the game is not complete. Even if they play with all their strength, with all fun, with all their strength, with all competition, but the result of the game is not shown. So this is the meaning of the poem. Let us see the meanings of some words like recess means the break between school classes. With quiet air means looking quiet. With might and main. Might and main means with all their strength. O''ER means over. Till we meet again, you have to find out the answer to these questions. This is your homework assignment. A. During the recess, what do the children in this poem do? I repeat. During the recess, what do the children in the poem do? B. Why does no one win? Why does no one win? Number 2. What name or what names are used for recess in your school? What name or names are used for recess in your school? For example, lunch break. You have to find out the other words. 3. How do you spend your recess? Describe it in 2 or 3 lines or sentences. How do you spend your recess? Describe it in 2 or 3 sentences. Now activities. Make a list of things you see in your school. Activity number 1. Make a list of things you see in your school and you have to write 10 lines or sentences about your own school.